Okay guys, hello everyone. Nandito kami ngayon sa Egypt. Bilihan na souvenir.
Hello.
And this is Ibrahim, the owner of the
No,
shop.
I'm working here.
Ah,
I'm
she-
working.
working pala.
My brother is owner.
Oh,
my
his brother is the owner.
Yeah.
At syempre, dito kami sa Tahrir ba to? Is this Tahrir?
Kankalili.
Ay, Khalili.
Khalil Khalili.
Khalil Khalili.
Yeah.
Yan.
Kalili.
May pakita ko sa inyo kasi may tawad kapag may
Any person for this girl, I make you 50% discount.
Oh,
Name is to her.
50% discount. Ay,
You know me, you know my number, you know everything about me.
50% discount. Just say my name pala para may 50% discount kayo. Say Carla. Code
This is
Carla.
my Rolex from the shop.
At may tinda rin silang Rolex. Siyempre. Code name Carla for 50% off.
Okay.
Off take note pala, may tinda rin silang gold factory ng gold. Tapos kung gusto nyo bumili, dadali niya kayo sa factory, pwede niyang lagyan ng pangalan yung gold nyo, tapos pwede nilang tatakan para mailabas nyo ng bansa. I told in the video, Ibrahim, about the gold, okay? Ibrahim,
Yes, sister.
ayan, I mentioned in the video about the gold.
Yes.
You made the gold, right?
Of course,
Gold
yeah,
company.
yeah, yes, yes,
They have gold company, factory.
You make anything you like it.
They-
Anything in a dream, I do it for you.
Pwede kayong mag-request kung anong klaseng design ang gusto nyo, sila ang gagawa, tapos bibigyan nila kayo ng resibo ba yun? Resibo para ma-uwi nyo sa Pilipinas kasi dito ngayon mahigpit na. Alam nyo na. So, let's go. Dito tayo sa ano ba to bakla? El Khalili. Location sa Kana. Tatawagan natin siya para sa location kasi may number din naman ako niya. Ayan, diba? Ang daming souvenir. Meron pa yan sa labas. Ayun pa. Ito sa... Yan. Again, guys, just say my name, Carla. Code. Code Carla for 50% discount. Dito lang yan sa Egypt. Ayan.
Give one for healthy. Give 200. Sir, 200, sir.
Nagtawa na talaga sila ng bonggang-bonggan to the highest level. Ay, ito pala yung coaster din. Dami nilang coaster, pero ito na napili.
200.
Magkano bilhin mo?
300 daw. Ay, 250 daw.
200.
Kasi bili ko na.
What else you like?
Ay, meron din silang ganito, oh.
Yan.
Nagpi-frame din sila kasi may ganyan ako.
Now I have 150. I have 150.
May ganito ako.